going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
to those who purchased the Three Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because, guys, we are getting close to that main event. And then also, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And, of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, guys, we're definitely pulling back. We know we have options tomorrow. We see stocks are pulling back. We are seeing yield rates being pushed down. But, guys, we know what the Fed has to do. They've already confirmed in the Fed minutes they're going to be raising rates. So we know they're going to try to price in the downturn. And then plus, guys, we have the Russia movie continues. And then plus is running lockstep with the interest rate hike. And guys, we know that's not for any reason. We know they have to make a distraction so then therefore they can move the money in the back door so they can build this fourth industrial revolution. The sheep always fall for the distractions. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. That is yield rates, volume, tether, USDC. And don't forget, USDC is supposed to go public by the end of the year, and it has a $9 billion evaluation. And then also, guys, we have the Fed. Make sure you're watching the repo. We know they have to raise rates, run off the balance sheet, and then also stop QE. And we're at a place right now where we've never been before in history, but we know this is all controlled collapse, so therefore they can bring up cryptocurrency. And remember, the Crypto Teacher wrote about it a long time ago. And then plus, guys, we have grayscale. We went from 39.4 to 39.5. So, guys, make sure that you are paying attention to the grayscale whale. And then plus, guys, do not forget BAC has been moved to the end of the month along with the rest of the futures. Just going to be on Thursday instead of that Friday. I definitely see a good pullback. And then, of course, we run into open interest. And I don't see a big pump, just because we know rates are going to be rising. And then also, BAC has come out and stated they expect losses this year. And guys, we know if the Fed is going to be raising rates, majority of companies are going to take losses. There's no more free money. They were gambling with free money. Now that credit is going to tighten. Now let's get over into a little crypto news. We have Twitter as Ethereum wallets, enables users to give and receive Ethereum tips. And guys, we know this is all about adoption. And then we have new consensus mesh, NFT marketplace pay royalties to creators and collectors. Now, Tree Trunk debuts a pioneering smart contract that collects and distributes royalty payments from secondary sales of NFTs immediately and securely on blockchain. So we see Joseph Lubin making the NFT process seamless, more effective, and we know that's always going to be the winner at the end. Now we have Chainlink Verifiable Random Function V2 goes live on mainnet. And we have Bank of America says Chainlink likely driver for DeFi. And guys, we know DeFi is definitely the new banking. Now we have oil giant ConocoPhillips reduces gas flaring emissions via Bitcoin mining. And then we have NEO price climbs after China's BSN integration. Now we have Firm Stronghold launches $100 million investment for FinTech and Web3. Also, Castle Island Ventures announces a new $250 million fund for Web3. And guys, we see trillions and trillions of dollars being thrown at this new digital economy. Now we have Binance halt some activities in Israel. And just like the Ripple case, the Binance movie just keeps getting better. We know we're going to have global regulation in crypto. We're just waiting for ISO, and that's in November. And then, guys, we have L'Oreal, eyes NFTs and the Metaverse. And then lastly, we have Snoop Dogg wants to turn the Death Row label into an NFT and put it in the Metaverse. And guys, we know, what do? They use the actors, actresses, athletes, politicians, the puppets to move their agenda. And remember, guys, technology can be used for good or evil, but the key is understanding the technology. We know that the masses don't do that. They just follow the idols. The masses, the sheep, don't understand the current financial system that we're in, let alone the new digital economy that we're going to be moving in. You definitely want to get yourselves educated, so therefore you don't fall for the devil's tricks. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're into cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, you got their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Drama Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.